How to export data from Salesforce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So let's say in this case, I just want to export leads, but it could be anything else really. So what we need to do first is actually download the data loader. It's just going to help you a lot with Salesforce if you want to import a large number of records, or in this case, export data from Salesforce. So you can just go to any browser, type in Salesforce Data Loader. You should be able to find yourself in this page. And you simply just want to download the latest release, extract the file in a specific folder. You can just name the folder Data Loader. And then from there, you can just continue on with the installation. Now, once you actually install the Data Loader, it's very simple to use. Once you open it up, you're going to find yourself in this box here. All you need to do is just click on Export. And if it's your first time, you just want to log into your Salesforce account, so just go and click on Login within the appropriate environment. And then once that's done, you simply just want to select what you actually want to export. So in my case, I'm just going to export leads, and I'm just going to go ahead and name the file leadsextract.csv and click on Next. Now you also want to select the appropriate fields that you want to be exported as well. So I'm just going to select all fields, but if you want specific ones, you can just go ahead and highlight those that you need only. Here you can also feel free to add conditions, but I'm just going to leave it empty, and I'm just going to click on Finish. Click on Yes, and now it says there were 31 successful extractions, and I'm just going to click on OK, and we are pretty much set. So if you didn't really change anything when it comes to the path, you should be able to find it where the main folder is for the data loader. As you can see here, we have leads extract, and this file is pretty much the leads all in one file. So this is pretty much how to extract data from Salesforce. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.